Hi there, my name is Gillian Perkins and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how to set meaningful goals and create an action plan to actually achieve them. The first and most important part of the process of setting goals is to set goals that matter to you. This sounds so obvious, but people often don't do it. People often set goals based on what society says we should be striving for. This can cause people to set goals of earning a certain income, or running a marathon, or getting down to a certain clothing size, when those things might not be the things that are really meaningful to you. So first of all, you have to ask yourself, what is important to you? Maybe truly deep down, you care about your health, or maybe your career is really important to you. Or your priority might be your relationships, or maybe you care a lot about having a great sense of fashion. Different people have different values and they have different priorities in life, and that's okay. But if you want to set goals that will really be meaningful to you, goals that you'll care about achieving, goals that you'll be motivated to work on, then you need to get clear about what your priorities are and then think about what goals you could set related to those priorities. Step number 2 of this process is to define your goal. You are going to be much more likely to be able to actually succeed and achieve your goal if you know exactly what the goal is, and you also know how you're going to measure success, and you give yourself a deadline. So in this second part of the process, you need to answer those 3 questions. First of all, what exactly is the goal? We want to be more specific here, not more general, because if you're more specific, the goal will be easier to achieve, it will feel less overwhelming, and it will be easier to know what you need to do in order to reach it. Once you know exactly what the goal is, answering the second question, how will you measure success, will be pretty easy most of the time. So for example, if your goal is that you want to start a business that will support your family, then how you will measure the goal is if you reach the point with your business where you're making the right amount of money to be able to support your family. So maybe you need to earn $5,000 a month to support your family, so that would be your measurement of success. Or if you're trying to get healthier, then maybe your measurement of success is that you're consistently eating 3 servings of vegetables every day, or you're drinking half your body weight in ounces of water. Finally, in order to keep yourself on track, you'll want to give yourself a deadline. So when do you want to achieve this goal by? Now, there are some goals that are really big and you might not know how long they will take you, but if you give yourself a deadline to at least work towards, then it will motivate you to take action every day to move yourself closer to get to your goal. You could set a really comfortable, easy deadline out sometime distantly in the future, or a really hard push deadline. You kind of have to know yourself here and know which kind of deadline will work best for you. Some people just need some sort of deadline, and having that extra space, that extra time will make them feel more comfortable and safe, and having the deadline will help them work towards it, but they won't feel stressed out. Other people, on the other hand, need a deadline that is right away, so that they're gonna hustle and get it done, because if they set a distant deadline, then they won't do any work at all. By the way, if you're enjoying this video, then make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss my next one. I make new videos every single week, and I would love to have you join me for the next one. Now that you've come up with a really meaningful goal and you've defined it, it's time to create your action plan. So in order to do this, I want you to remember the acronym RRPP. That will help you remember the steps that you need to follow in order to create this action plan. The first R stands for research steps. I'm assuming that right now you probably don't know everything you need to do in order to achieve your goal. If you do already know exactly what you need to do, then you can skip this part of the process. But most of the time, you're going to need to do a little bit of research to find out everything that you need to do in order to reach that goal. So that's the first step, research. The next R stands for refine. You need to sort through everything that you've learned in your research, really refine your list of things that you could do to reach your goal down. Because most likely you've come up with all sorts of different things that you could do to help you move forward, make progress. But if you try to do it all, you're gonna be overwhelmed and you probably won't make that much progress. So you need to refine your list of steps down so that you have a list of only the most important steps that will really help you make the biggest progress. Now we come to the first P in our RRPP acronym, and this P stands for plan. You need to turn these steps that you've come up with into a clear plan that you can follow to reach your goal. So basically here, you're just organizing the steps that you already decided you needed to do. And the second P stands for prioritize. You need to identify what the prime movers will be. In your plan, you have several different steps you need to follow to reach your goal. But if you want to see the biggest progress and you want to have the most clear focus and reach your goal as easily as possible, then you need to identify what 1 or 2 main steps you need to focus most of your energy and attention on. That will give you the biggest results and help you to reach your goal as quickly as possible. Now you understand the 3-step process you can follow to set meaningful goals, define them clearly, and then create an action plan to achieve them. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful. I also wanted to let you know that if you have business goals and you would be interested in having me actually create action plans for you to follow to reach those business goals, then you could consider joining Startup Society. Startup Society is a business training program that I run here on the internet where I work with online entrepreneurs to grow their business month after month. So as I mentioned earlier on in this video, every single month I create an action plan for how to achieve a specific business goal. These action plans have action steps to follow, and then I also create video tutorials to go along with them to really explain to you exactly how to complete each of the action steps so that you feel 100% confident about what you need to do in order to reach your goal, but also you know how to do those things. As a member of Startup Society, you also get unlimited email support. So if you ever get stuck as you're working through any of the action plans, you can always just reach out to the Startup Society success team and they will help you get unstuck and figure out how to actually reach that goal. And you get access to me inside of a personal Facebook group as well. If you're interested in finding out more about Startup Society, just head down to the description box and there's a link down there that will take you to a page where you can learn more about the program and sign up to join us. Okay, well that's everything for today's video. Thanks again for joining me. Hope you really enjoyed this one. Hope you got a lot out of it. If you want to see more videos like this in the future, then hit that subscribe button because I make new videos every week and I would love to have you join me for the next one. That's all for now, but I'll see you next time.